Okay, working on this 5.7 again, another hot day, and I got this piece here. This was for the that was for the bright switch in the floor, and it's all rusted out over here. So I thought, well, maybe I can make one. I was going to cut it and weld it, and so I made these pieces. Okay, so I made these pieces. I had some 3/8 square stock, and I made one fit inside, just a little bit smaller, and it's the same radius and everything as the original. I originally tried to do this with wood. It didn't work. So you cut you a piece of metal wide enough, and I made it flush here on the end. So when I put my braces on there and cranked it down, and also leave enough all the way around that you'll have a good flange. Now this was a piece of new car steel, and it's real springy, and it worked okay. But I did the same thing on a some mild sheet metal steel, and it worked a whole lot better. So there it is there. I've drilled holes in it and everything, and there's my flange. Now, again, I'm a cheapskate. This piece, I think, online is $35. So I probably got 20 minutes in it, maybe more. But it worked pretty good. Okay, good luck, you guys.